Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I am reporting from outdoors because I wanted to put the spotlight on two different colors I get asked a lot of questions about, as well as show you again what the beautiful Reese wig by Noriko looks like outdoors in natural sunshine. Now, I'm not in 100% sunshine just of yet. I will move around throughout the video so you can kind of see it, but it's just so bright out right now because I live in Georgia that it's just really difficult for me to look at the camera to see what I'm showing you, so hopefully you'll forgive me. First at bat, we have Reese in Irish Spice R, which is a beautiful, beautiful mixed auburn shade. And then later in the video, I'll show you what this one looks like in Chocolate Frost R, since I get asked a lot of questions about that too. So let's talk about Reese real quick. I have reviewed Reese in the past, but it was without the HD camera, so I wanted to revisit Reese so that way you could get a good idea of exactly how cute she is with all these layers. Just kind of a mid-length shag. The front is 5.5 inches here, so it can be swept off to the side, or it's got a little curl to it, so it won't go directly in the face if you kind of sweep it off a little bit. So crown is 6 inches, and then the nape is 4, and you'll see it when I turn around. It only weighs about 2.8 ounces, maybe around 3 ounces. And the manufacturer photos by and large show it in the Chocolate Frost R, so it'll be nice, I think, to see it in sunshine. Okay, so this is what Reese in Irish Spice looks like in direct, intense sunlight. As you can see, it's actually a color made up of 3 different shades, as I've discussed in other highlights of this particular color. The main color is kind of a dark auburn, then on top of that you have sort of like a medium coppery auburn, and then on top of that you have this lighter sort of copper color, almost like a butterscotch blonde. It's just very, very, very cool color. Very well done. I've always been a fan of this color. The root, as you can see, is darker than the rest of the hair, so it is a rooted color in most instances. However, be careful when you're looking at the Renee of Paris main line or the Amour line, because just because something's rooted in Noriko doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to be rooted in those lines, the other two. So, as you can see, very, very beautiful color. And while I have this Chocolate Frost one off, I'm going to show you the cap construction again, just a little refresher on what Noriko wigs look like on the inside, because they all look the same with the exception of the monofilament ones, and then those all look the same amongst themselves. So, as you can see, this whole top part where all this rose lace is, permateased. The sides and back are okay, they're not super stretchy, nothing fancy there. The sides, you can see the ear tabs are closed. And then, you know, you can kind of adjust it like a bra strap here in the back. It does have an extended nape, which is awesome. So very, very, very cool wig. Very easy to wear. It is kind of a shake and go, though you might have to sort of smooth it out with your fingers. But the hair fibers on these Noriko wigs is kind of slick. It's got a lot of silicone on it. And so because of that, you really don't have to comb it right away. You could probably get away with wearing this for about a month before you even have to comb it. Just, you know, make sure you give it a good brushing with your fingers. And if you do have to brush it, use a wide tooth comb. But yeah, the nape here is short enough that you probably won't have any issues. So I'm going to go ahead and slip this one off. Okay, so this is what Reese looks like in Chocolate Frost R in direct sunshine. So you can see right away, lots of highlights. This color just has a ton of highlighting. The nape is darker, it is a fashion color. So anytime you see that frost on one of these Noriko wigs, assume it's going to be kind of a fashiony color with lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of highlights. And then here is the back. So this is the color that Reese comes in when you look at the manufacturer photos for this particular style. And you can fluff it up quite a bit. Sorry, it's really bright out, so it's hard for me to see, so I'm probably like squinting like crazy. But I just really wanted to showcase this color for you because it's so cool looking. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful, and this has been Reese by Noriko in the colors Irish Spice R and Chocolate Frost R. Thank you for watching, and check out my web store, www.CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.